Now listen question. This is the I am going to select the topic. When debentures are issued at par, premium and discount and redeemed at par and premium. These are the circumstances. Under such circumstances, how to pass the journal entries? It is very important and hot topic. Suppose debentures are issued at par, debentures par, but redeemed at what birthday? Par also. And redeemed at premium also. Okay. Debenture issued at par, par means same value, 10 rupees that we issued at par, and redeemed at par 10 average premium will be more than, not at discount. Second, debentures issued at discount, redeemed at par as well as what? Premium, not discount. Now, two circumstances or four circumstances. Debentures issued at a premium and redeemed at a par as well as a premium. Now, see, debentures can issue par, premium and discount. There are three circumstances. Debentures can issue at a par, at a discount as well as at a premium. And redeem par premium, redeem par premium, redeem par premium. It means six circumstances are possible when debentures may issue and redeemed. It is called debentures issued under several circumstances and also redeemed under several circumstances. That is the debenture issued par premium and discount and redeemed par premium, redeemed par premium, redeemed par premium. Okay, these are the circumstances there. Understood? Now come, I have selected one question number 30. Now listen, when debenture issued at par and you are going to redeem at premium, it is called redemption on premium. It is called redemption on premium. As per the principle of prudence, it is expected loss. You have to record at the time of issue of debenture. Because question asks, sir, we have to redeem later, but now you are passing the at present time, mentioning the premium. As per the principle of prudence or conservation or conservatism, understood or not, where expected loss must be recorded. Here discount, you debenture issued at discount, redeemed at a par, redeemed at a premium. Redeemed at a premium, PRD, simple briefing I am telling you, brief. Premium on redemption. Redeemed issued at a premium, redeemed at a par as well as premium. Okay. So now when debenture issued at a premium, it is called security premium. It is called SPR, security premium. And redeemed, that is the premium, it is the premium, it is the premium. This is the premium, understood? That is the PRD. Premium on redemption of debenture. Be careful. You have to keep in your mind just brief idea I am providing here. Understood? Reason debenture issued several circumstances, par, discount, premium, and redeemed under the several circumstances. So whenever debenture redeemed at a premium, it is the PRD, premium on redemption, and issued at a security SPR premium. Issued at a premium, it is called security premium. It is termed as what it is? Security premium. That's all. Now come, I have selected one question. Here see, 30 number. A debenture issued at 95 and repayable 100 first circumstances. Second debenture issued 95, repayable 105. Okay. And debenture issued 100 and repayable 105. The face value of debenture is 100 in each of the above case. Okay. Now more than the face value, understood or not? See here. Debenture issued at 95, you are getting 95 rupees. Bank account debit to debenture application and allotment account 95. Bank account debit to debenture application and allotment allotment account debit what? 95. Later it has been given here, debenture repayable at 100. Okay. So debenture application and allotment debit 95, discount on issue of debenture 5 and debenture 100 at par. Okay, it is the entry for the issue of debenture. Be careful. You are seeing here face value of 100 and redeemed at 100, but issued at what? 95. That is called the discount. Okay. Here when you are going to make the cancellation, so first you have to receive the application amount in two steps, not once bank to do application allotment, and then debenture application allotment, 5 rupees discount and debenture going to 100. Second circumstances are there. Debenture issued at 95 and repayable 105. Now see circumstances have changed. Debenture issued at 95, it means debenture issued at a discount 5 rupees. And redeemable at 105, more than the face value, that is the premium on redemption. In these circumstances, what you will do? First entry remains the same, because here debenture issued 95, also here 95. So bank to debenture application allotment you have to write in the second circumstances. Okay, now just a moment, wait. Debenture issued at 95. So here you have to write bank to debenture application and account. How much we take? 95. How much amount you have received? Okay. Now here debenture application and allotment account debit, write down 95. 5 rupees is discount or 5 rupees is premium on redemption. Both will be added once a time and write down 10. Here there are two options. Directly may write loss on issue of debenture 10 rupees, 5 rupees is the discount and 5 rupees is the PRD. You may write directly. Otherwise you may write separately, discount on issue of debenture 5 rupees like this, loss on issue of debenture 5 rupees, then to debenture account how much? 100 going out, and premium on redemption, because you are going to redeem more than the face value, that will be termed as PRD, premium on redemption. Now see, it is clear. What is clear? So there are two options, depends upon the teachers and students what you are going to do. If you write discount on issue of debenture account separately 5, loss on issue of debenture account debit separately 5, no problem. That to debenture and to premium on redemption. But better, it's my suggestion to you, directly note it down, loss on issue of debenture debit 10 rupees. Second circumstances. Okay. Now come see, after this number third, debenture issued 100, repayable 105. Third circumstances, debenture issued at par and repayable at premium. This one. Issued at par and repayable at premium. This premium is PRD, premium redemption, because at present you are issuing the people 100 rupees debenture, taking amount from the people 100, and you are convincing the people, I will return you 105. It is done at present, you are doing very well. Later you have to make the payment more amount, this will turn as a loss. First, issued the debenture. Under the third circumstances, see all of you, debentures issued at rupees 100. So your bank account debit, it is the third circumstances. Bank account debit to debenture application and account, how much later? 100 rupees. Okay. Now after this, here again you have to write debenture application and allotment account debit 100. Clear? And here loss on issue of debenture will be 5. Reason behind it, you have issued at 100 and going to make the payment 105. So debenture is going 100 and premium on redemption of debenture is 5. Okay. So I have taken some circumstances. First, debenture issued at a discount or redeemed at what at a par. Issued at a discount, redeemed at a par. I have taken first circumstances here. In the second, debenture issued at a discount again and redeemed at a premium. This is the odds CBSE so many times asked question related this time. And here debenture issued at a par Here I am taking the best value of share 1. It is assumed that one share is issued by the organization or company. Now after this I am going to solve the question number 48. Such type of question also asked by the CBSE